I'm going to show you how to make the perfect sliding tunnel when you're making a triangle top. And what you want to do is fold over, and then you're going to pull on the bottom layer, and you're going to pull all throughout evenly, not too much, just slightly as you sew, to make sure that everything fits correctly. And I'm going to do it again on this one so you could see. I'm going to go back and forth in the beginning. We're going to pull down the bottom layer, and this is basically just to distress the top, the bottom layer, and then it all fits perfectly, and there are no wrinkles, no ruffles, and you have the perfect little sliding tunnel. And we're going to put the drawstring through here, and this is going to gather, so it's going to be perfect after that. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like with me sewing without slowing down at regular speed.